In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert tables on your projects or tasks in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so whether you want to add tables under your task or even in messages, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and choose the project under which you want to add a table. So for my case, I want to add on one of these tasks. So click on the task you wish to add. And for my case, I'd like to add a table under this task. To do this, I'll go under the description section. And then to add a table, just go ahead and enter a / or just tap / and it will give you quite a number of options that you can do on ClickUp. And here you can see we can add so many things, including templates, markdowns, buttons, as well as tables. So for my case, I'll go ahead and choose table, and this will go ahead and insert table. You can see the table is too small, but we have an option to add rows and columns. To add a row, just click down here under plus and a row will be added. Should you want to add columns, you can go ahead and again under this, you'll see we have a plus here. So if you click on it, it will go ahead and add a column. If you want to resize your tables, you can also just do so by using this resize option. And as you can see, both the rows and columns have been added. So you can add as many columns and rows as you want by just clicking on the plus, and this will be inserted. Should you want to add a table in the comment section, you can also do the same. Just go to the comment section and then just using your keyboard, type / and this will give you these suggestions, and among them we have table here, and the table will be inserted. Once you're done, now you can send your table, and then this will be sent to your team. So that's how you can insert tables in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.